Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best must-have kitchen gadgets that will level up your cooking game and make your life so much easier. Whether you love to cook or just want to save time in the kitchen, these smart, affordable tools are absolute game changers. Let's jump in and check out the top kitchen essentials you need right now. The Log Life Food Warming Mat, 24x 16 inches, is a game changer for keeping meals warm and ready to serve without reheating. Perfect for family dinners, parties, or holiday gatherings, this large electric warming mat evenly maintains heat across its spacious surface, ensuring your dishes stay at the ideal serving temperature. Whether you're keeping casseroles, soups, or appetizers warm, this mat handles it all with ease. It's designed with safety and convenience in mind. Just plug it in, place your heat-safe dishes on top, and enjoy warm food without drying it out or overcooking. Its slim design also makes it easy to store when not in use. If you're tired of cold meals or juggling microwave reheats, this is the solution you've been looking for. Click the link in the video description to get your Log Life warming mat today and keep every meal warm and delicious. The Suretivian Chicken Shredder tool makes shredding meat faster, safer, and cleaner than ever before. Designed with a large capacity and strong anti-slip base, this manual meat shredder easily twists and pulls apart chicken, pork, or beef in seconds. No more forks or messy hands. The visible lid lets you monitor the process, while the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip. It's BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and comes with a cleaning brush and fork for added convenience. Perfect for meal prep, barbecue, tacos, or pulled pork sandwiches. Click the link in the video description to grab yours now and make shredding meat effortless. Upgrade your kitchen with the stylish Kitchen Stainless Steel Cutting Board, a sleek, modern alternative to traditional boards. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's perfect for cutting meat, veggies, or fruits without absorbing odors or stains. The smooth surface is easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and designed to prevent knife damage. Its non-slip base keeps it steady while you chop, ensuring safety and precision. Plus, it adds a touch of elegance to any countertop. If you're looking for a hygienic, long-lasting cutting solution, click the link in the video description and bring home this premium stainless steel cutting board today. The RKBQ oil sprayer for cooking is a must-have kitchen gadget for healthy and precise cooking. With a generous 16 ounces capacity, this dark brown glass bottle protects oil from sunlight while offering a 2-in-1 spray and pour design perfect for air fryers, salads, grilling, and more. Easily switch between a fine mist or a steady stream, depending on your needs. It comes with handy stickers for easy labeling and an ergonomic nozzle for mess-free use. Say goodbye to greasy overpouring and hello to clean, controlled cooking. Click the link in the video description to grab this versatile oil sprayer today. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is the ultimate time-saving tool for your kitchen. With multiple interchangeable blades, it quickly chops, dices, slices, and spirals vegetables with ease, making meal prep faster, cleaner, and safer. Its heavy-duty, BPA-free build includes a spacious catch tray to keep your counter mess-free, and the soft grip handle ensures comfortable use. Whether you're prepping onions, tomatoes, or zucchini noodles, this chopper handles it all effortlessly. It's perfect for busy families, healthy eaters, or anyone who wants to cook smarter. Click the link in the video description to get your Full-Star Vegetable Chopper today and simplify your cooking routine. The Brio Bite Ice Cream Maker is your go-to gadget for making fresh, delicious treats right at home. This rechargeable and compact electric machine is perfect for whipping up creamy gelato, milkshakes, or refreshing sorbet in just minutes, ideal for 1 to 2 servings. The double insulated bowl keeps your dessert cold without the need for constant freezing, and its sleek black design fits perfectly on any countertop. Easy to clean and simple to use, it's great for small households or anyone craving on-demand desserts. Click the link in the video description to grab yours now and enjoy homemade frozen treats anytime. Keep your kitchen knives razor sharp with the Chicago Cutlery Dual Stage Knife Sharpener. Featuring both coarse and fine sharpening slots, it restores dull blades and polishes edges for precise, effortless cutting. The suction bottom provides a strong grip on your countertop for safe, hands-free use, while the compact design makes it easy to store in any drawer or cabinet. Whether you're slicing veggies or carving meat, this sharpener ensures your knives are always in top shape. Click the link in the video description to get this reliable, space-saving knife sharpener today and upgrade your kitchen performance. The QLi Metal Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer takes the guesswork out of grilling and roasting. With real-time temperature tracking via Bluetooth, you can monitor your meat from your phone, no need to hover over the grill. It features a high-precision probe, customizable temperature alerts, and is perfect for beef, chicken, pork, fish, and more. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, this smart thermometer ensures perfectly cooked results every time. Easy to use, rechargeable, and built for serious grillers. Click the link in the video description to get yours now and cook with confidence every time. The Furlim Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set is the perfect upgrade for your kitchen or dining table. With its automatic, battery-powered design, seasoning your meals is as simple as flipping the grinder upside down. No buttons, no hassle. The adjustable coarseness lets you customize your grind, while the built-in LED light ensures precise seasoning every time. Designed for one-hand operation, it's ideal for cooking or entertaining guests. Sleek, modern, and incredibly convenient, it's a must-have for any spice lover. Click the link in the video description to get your Furlim grinder set today and season like